Baby don't like that cold weather right now. YouTube, what's going on, man? Welcome back. And as you've seen from the intro of this video, today it's getting a little cold outside. So you know what that means, man. This video dedicated to all my two-stroke riders, specifically today. Yes, we got these carburetors. So right now it's time to tune. If your bike hasn't been tuned lately, you might gotta rejet, you might gotta play with your air screw, you might gotta do a little work right now to get that two-stroke running how it need to be. But don't worry. Today we're gonna go through the 4 or 5 simple steps to get your two-stroke back running right when this cold comes in. Cause all it is a little bit of air, maybe a little bit of jetting. But either way it go, we're gonna figure it out today. So yeah, man, let's play with this KTM. Let's get on this carburetor and see what we can do, man. Cause my boy needs some help right now. The thing is a little sputtery, a little boggy, a little buggy. So yeah, man. Hit that like, subscribe, don't go nowhere. Tell a friend to come on and watch this with you. You did? Let's get it. That's what I said. Baby don't like that cold weather right now. The baby don't like the cold weather.
Ooh, got that SX in here. My dog gotta get that carb right. Y'all know how it go in that you look on the ground, y'all see the leaves. So you know how it is. That fall season come, what these two-stroke do, y'all? They get sensitive. Oh boy, gotta say them clip positions. Real tuning going on right here. If you know, you know. So what's going on, y'all? The carb is doing the little, you know, finicky, burbly, too much gas, not enough gas. Air ratio mixture is off. Y'all know how it go. But anyway. So basically, what we got going on today, we was gonna go up there to the track. My dog didn't ride the other day because the bike went down on him. So I told him pull up, man, to see what's going on with this carb. So like I said, y'all see the season, man. The season changing. If you know anything about two-strokes, what do? They change with the weather. So it ain't nothing to get panicked over, y'all. It's a little jetting. Change a few jets, open the air screw a little bit, get them molecules in there, and get it back popping, that's all. We just broke one of the jets. My boy put that thing in there, twisted it, pink. Broke that bit, but we got it out, so. But y'all stay tuned, man. How y'all day going? What's going on, man? It's a cool little Sunday over here for us, man. You did, so. Hit that like, subscribe, man. Y'all like this bike life content? We bring y'all car work, new bike work, trail work, ramp work, jump work. I need y'all to hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody who is. We are definitely going up. YG family, I love y'all. I appreciate it. Look at the numbers. Look at the followers, man. Y'all the real ones, for real.
Yeah, he just adjusted the clip position. Went up on it.
I had this TMS McCooney. This the original OEM car that came on YZ. But I went Electron, you know, after I brought a JD jetting kit. I got a JD jetting kit and it came out, to me, a lot better on the top and the bottom, not gonna lie. And the TMS already, you already know. Y'all know about McCooney, y'all know this thing got a little, The KTM, they got the Kenneth on there right now, so them things about net to net, so. Try with the choke on.
Right there, I don't need to go up just a hell. Yeah, that's it. My hand off now. We've been playing with it all morning. It's been going up and down,
down, we find out the jets are off a little bit. Somebody switched out the jets when he brought it. He been rocking like that, but now that the weather has changed, the jets are cooperating. We find out he need to be up a lot more than main. So just trying to see what we can do before the weekend out, you know. That motherfucker moving now. Oh, let me get down here. Oh, do. Bruh. A little gurgly on the top. Sound gurgly on burbly on top. What y'all think that is? Y'all think that's rich? Definitely gurgly on the top. My boy said he ain't playing, bro. Look at this angle on this goddamn wrap, y'all. That bitch a cute angle. That shit steep, bro. You sure? And it's my broke wrist, y'all. Look at this shit. I'm trying to push with the broke wrist. I got you. Yeah. Yeah, with the broke wrist. Y'all stop playing with me. One camera wrong, broke wrist. You got it? Okay. I got you with the other arm. That's good. There we go. See? See?
That nigga fooling us, bro. That nigga did all the work. That nigga pushed the whole bike, bro.
Look, that tail fit to something else right here, y'all. If y'all just get a grip right here, I'm telling you, bro. That motherfucker up there, he did it though. Shee. We was playing around with it, trying to adjust to the cool weather, but the original jet he had broke, which forced us to go use the different one, which right now, the KTM just ain't liking that jet, that's all. Y'all know how it go, man. He just don't want that one in him today, so. But yeah, y'all stay tapped in, man. Like I said, we're gonna continue the show. Today we just putting on the pause, you know what I'm saying?
So yeah, guys, as y'all seen, it's a wrap for the day. I ain't gonna lie to you. We play with the jets, we play with the air, we play with the item, and it's still not right. He broke the original OEM jet, so we had to order it today. So that's what we waiting on already. So part 2 of this video, we got the jets on the way. We just basically gonna go ahead and put them in there, play with that air screw again, and see if we can get better results. Right now it's cold, so yeah, you might got a jet, like I said. You might gotta go in there and change the air screw, 1 out, 2 out. Look up your OEM specs. Look up your bike. Make sure that you're following the protocol what your bike is supposed to follow. Don't do what your friend, your bro, and your homeboy told you to do. Look it up yourself. Go back to stock settings and go from there. As of right now, man, we finna go ahead and pack it up. Go get some hot cocoa. You know what it is. It's cold outside. So yeah, man. Catch me on the next one. Part 2 of again this KTM car back right so my boy can snatch up out of there like it need to be. It's your boy YZ125. Baby, hit that like, subscribe. Tell a friend to come back again. Be blessed. We out of here.